Good morning, students. So today I'm taking another example of VLOOKUP to find exact match. Okay. So what is VLOOKUP first of all? So VLOOKUP is a vertical lookup searching function in Excel which allow establishing a relationship between different columns of Excel. In other words, it allows you to find a value from one column of data and return its respective. Okay, so I'm taking an example of VLOOKUP to find exact match. So their employee ID, name, designation, and salary. And the employee IDs are 101, 102, and so on. The names Ram, Syam, their designation, and salary. Okay, so in this employee ID column, I need to type employee ID and I want to know their name, designation, and salary. So before starting VLOOKUP, you need to select the data value. So I'm selecting the data value and type any name. So now I'm typing record, then press the enter key. So it will select it. Okay. So type the employee ID. So now I'm typing any employee ID like 102. Okay. And then I want to know their name. So type equal to VLOOKUP, then type the cell address of 102. So the cell address of 102 is H5. So now I'm typing H5, comma, record for value for data value, then comma, then column number of name. So the column number of name is 2. Then type false. Why we type false? Because false is for exact match. Then I'm typing false, close the bracket and press enter key. So when you press the enter key, it will display Syam. So the employee ID of 102's name is Syam. In the same way, we can also write the formula for designation and salary. So now I'm typing H5 for 102, record for data value, and then you need to type the column number of designation. So the column number of designation is 3. So type 3, then type false, then close the bracket and press enter key. So when you press the enter key, it will display the designation of Syam according to your data sheet. So in same way, you can also type the formula for salary. So type equal to VLOOKUP, then you need to type the cell address of employee ID. So the employee ID is 102 and their cell address is H5. So now I'm typing H5, then type record, record, then the column number of salary is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to type 4, then type false for exact match, then close the bracket and press enter key. So when you press the enter key, it will display 45,000. So now I want to know the employee IDs 108's name, designation, and salary. So now I'm typing 108, then press the enter key. So when you press the enter key, it will automatically change. So the employee ID of 102's name is Rakesh, their designation is supervisor, and their salary is 25,000. So now I want to know the employee ID 104, name, designation, and salary. So type 104 and press enter key. So when you press the enter key, it will automatically change. So the employee ID of 104's name is Sita, and designation clerk, and their salary is 30,000. So I hope you understand. This is an example of VLOOKUP to find exact match.